Good morning. I am fixing a good breakfast this morning. My son and I are craving a egg muffin. That's what I call them. There's been several versions of them that I've seen online, but my version is a slice of ham or whatever type of lunch meat you like, beaten eggs. I like to put onions, carrots. If you have green peppers, that'd be good in there. I have some leftover sausage. I'm going to put in one of them. So first thing you do is you preheat your oven to 400. I've beaten my eggs. I've got my ham. I buttered these. I have a non-stick muffin tin. Last time I sprayed them, they still stuck. So today I'm putting butter in there and hopefully it will be better. So I have one in here. I'm going to put another one in and then I will see you in a minute. Okay, I've got my ham in the cups. I'm putting probably a tablespoon of cheese in each one. So I'll show you right quick on a couple of them. Put a little bit of green onion in there. Depends on how much you like. If you like a lot, put a lot. If you don't like a lot, put a little. Put a little bit of carrot in here. Now I'm coming back to my eggs. It normally takes right around 1 egg per tin. I pour it in here. Then I go back to the first one. I move the stuff around. That way the egg soaks down in there and it's all the way full. And I'm going to put some salt and pepper on there. Pink Himalayan salt, of course. All the minerals in there. And a little bit more cheese. And I'll show you the rest of them in a minute. Okay, I'm just finishing up with the cheese on top of these. Just gives them a little crispier crust on there. I'm using cheddar. You can use any blend of cheese that you like. So I have them ready to put in the oven. Like I said earlier, 400 degrees. My oven takes 20 minutes. Yours may take a little less. It just really depends on the texture that you want your egg. I like mine lightly browned and still moist on the inside. So I'll see you in 20. Alright, our timer is winding down, so it's almost done. I'm glad because I'm getting really hungry. It is definitely breakfast time, and here we go. Don't you just love your glasses fogging up, people? And there's what they look like when they come out of the oven. The ham is nice and brown, so we're just going to go around them like that with our knife. Didn't even need my spatula. And they come right out. Nice and soft on the inside and crisp on the outside. There you go. Hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next video.